Hello everyone, I'm Vivi. Today I would like to introduce one of our most popular model, MA960 PRO. This model is deeply loved by our customers for its high practicality and outstanding cost effectiveness. Crafted with a die-cast magnesium alloy cabinet, 960mm single cabinet size. This model works excellently for indoor and with IP65 good waterproof for outdoor. Lightweight and easy to handle. Single cabinet weighs only 26 kg, paired with ergonomic handles for effortless movement. Seamless, quick installation. Equipped with quick lock mechanisms and a refined structure, enabling gap-free assembly in minutes and no complex tools required. Standard module for flexibility and performance. 320mm by 160mm standard module, optimized for superior display performance with quick assembly and hassle-free maintenance. Picture replaceable compatibility. Same module size and structure, support easy picture pitch upgrades, adapt to different display needs without replacing the entire cabinet. Expandable application scenarios. Sports perimeter solution. Add dedicated stands and padding to transform the MA960 PRO into a professional sports perimeter display. 90-degree 3D curved cabinet. Optional curved cabinet design enables creative applications like a 3D screen, expanding your display possibilities. If you like our product, please feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you for your time. Bye.